Hi, in this video, we will create a NAT gateway. For this video, we have pre-configured a private subnet named private-subnet-00. We have also created a route table named private-RTB-00 and have explicitly associated our private subnet with it. This route table includes only a local route. An EC2 instance named AZ00 is also pre-configured. This instance is connected to our private subnet and does not have a public IP assigned. To access the AZ00 instance using its private IP, we need to use another EC2 instance in the same VPC with a public IP assigned. Let's copy the private IP for the AZ00 instance. Now let's connect to the EC2 instance via which we will access the AZ00 instance. Now that we are connected to the AZ00 instance, let's check if this instance can connect to google.com. As you can see, the connection failed. This is because the AZ00 instance is connected to a private subnet with no internet access. We will now create a NAT gateway to provide internet connectivity to the instances on the private subnet. On the VPC dashboard, click NAT Gateways in the Virtual Private Cloud section. Click Create NAT Gateway. Type a name for this NAT gateway. A NAT gateway can be deployed in a public or a private subnet. Since we are deploying the NAT gateway to provide internet access to instances on the private subnet, we will deploy the gateway in a public subnet. Select a public subnet from the subnet drop-down list. After selecting the subnet, click Allocate Elastic IP to allocate a public IP to the NAT gateway. Click Create NAT Gateway. Click the NAT Gateways link. It takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes for the NAT gateway to become available. Now that our gateway is available, let's add a route to the route table for our private subnet. Click Route Tables in the Virtual Private Cloud section. Select the checkbox for your private subnet's route table. Click the Routes tab, then click Edit Routes. On the Edit Routes page, click Add Route. Select 0.0.0.0/0 from the destination drop-down list. Select your NAT gateway from the target drop-down list. Click Save Changes. Let's now check if the AZ00 instance can connect to google.com. As you can see, the AZ00 instance can now connect to google.com through the NAT gateway. That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.